Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. On today's stimulus check update, how many states are still sending checks? We have the latest extra food stamp for California January 2023. We also have news regarding Carl Fresh emergency allowance payment schedule for 2023. And of course, all the information is available in this video as well, so make sure you guys stay until the end of this video. Now before we get started, if you are interested in the latest news regarding stimulus, child tax credit, SNAP, PEBT and everyone in between, so make sure hit that like and subscribe button down below. Now moving on our latest news, so let's start off with stimulus check 2023. Plenty of states still have money to hand out in 2023. How many states are still sending checks? The landscape of US benefit at both federal and state level was completely changed in the wake up of COVID-19 pandemic, as millions of families were plunged into poverty or saw their earnings drop dramatically. That led to the US government creating an era of stimulus package for every state that could be distributed to the population to help to keep population and business afloat. It is against many political principles in America to provide such wide-reaching welfare, but the pandemic represented a special case. In many states, that stimulus has run out, but in others that took longer to distribute the money, there are still some that will be handing out in 2023. Here's come a look at all 8 states that are still giving out stimulus money in 2023. Number 1, stimulus checks in California. The state of California thinks that 5% of their inflation relief check worth to $1,025 would not be handed out until January 15th. There are also rebate amounts starting at $350 which are based on income tax, household size and tax filing. Number 2, stimulus check in Colorado. For those in Colorado who failed their 2021 taxes by the October 17 deadline, they must still be waiting for their rebate payment, which should arrive before January 31st and is worth $750 for singles and $1,500 for joint filers. Number 3, stimulus check in Idaho. Idaho approved 2020 special session rebates that will be paid out by the end of March 2023. The amount of the rebate is the greater of 10% of a taxpayer's 2020 income tax liability, $300 for single filer or $600 for joint filer. Number 4 is a stimulus check in New Jersey. Renters in New Jersey should get $450 as long as they don't earn more than $150,000. Those payments should not arrive later than May 2023. Next one is a stimulus check in Pennsylvania. Payments were being sent to older Pennsylvania renters, homeowners and those with disabilities, but the filing deadline was December 31st, so later filers will not be getting payments until into 2020. The maximum standard rebate is $650, but those who qualify for supplemental rebates as calculated by the state may receive as much as $975. Now moving on, stimulus check in South Carolina. Much like Colorado, those who failed their tax after the October 17 deadline but before February 15 will receive their payments of up to $800 in March 2023 in South Carolina. Now, last one is stimulus check in New Mexico. Residents in New Mexico have got until May 2023 to file their 2021 income tax return, and that is when they will qualify for a rebate, meaning it could be paid in 2023 before money arrives for some New Mexico residents. So let's discuss extra food stamp for California January 2023. Since March 2020, California has been using temporary SNAP flexibility to provide emergency food benefit to households impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. These temporary flexibilities are also referred to as emergency allowance benefits. If you are trying to find if you are eligible to receive extra Carl Fresh benefit in California, we can help. Any household that is currently receiving Carl Fresh benefit qualifies for extra food stamp emergency allowance benefit There is no extra paperwork to turn in to get the extra CalFresh benefit. It will simply be added to your EBT card and you will be able to use it just like regular CalFresh. In addition, any household that is approved for SNAP EBT in a month when EA benefits are issued will also qualify to receive extra food stamp benefit. To find out how much you can expect to receive in extra benefit, so we will tell about that. The amount of extra food stamp benefit you receive is determined by your household size. Your emergency allowance benefit through P-SNAP is the difference between the amount of benefit you are currently receiving and the maximum benefit amount for your household size. If you are already receiving the maximum monthly benefit amount for your household size, then you will not receive any additional or extra SNAP benefit. However, if you are not receiving the maximum benefit allowance for your household size, then you will receive extra food stamp benefit. This means that you will receive the maximum benefit amount for your household size with emergency allowance benefit. When you will receive extra SNAP benefit in California, so the household with active CalFresh cases in the benefit month will receive the maximum amount of benefit for their household size. Emergency allowance are approved on a rolling basis and issued by the California Department of Social Services. The emergency allowance for a benefit month is issued in the middle of the next month. For example, when you get the extra benefit in mid-January, it's technically for the month of December. If you don't receive your emergency allowance benefit, please contact your SNAP caseworker at your local CDSS office. When will you receive extra food stamp benefit for January 2023? So now California has requested and been approved to issue CalFresh emergency allowance for the month of January. January extra CalFresh benefit will be issued on Saturday, Feb 4, 2023 and Saturday, Feb 11, 2023. For January 2023, call SOS will be issued on Feb 4, 2023 and call WIN will be issued on Feb 11, 2023. Now let's talk about inflation relief checks are coming for millions of Californians worth up to $1,050. According to CNBC, more than half of California's residents may soon receive a stimulus check. For the state government, Gavin Newsom's office has announced this is part of inflation relief package worth $17 billion. It's estimated that 23 million Californians will receive payment totaling up to $1,050 for joint filers with at least one dependent. Payment will be mailed this fall. Who is eligible for inflation relief check? Eligibility for the inflation relief check will depend on how much money each California resident earns, as well as how many dependents they have. To be eligible, you must fall into one of the three income tiers for either single or joint tax filer. Here are the income tiers for single and joint filers and how much each tier could receive. Single tax filer will receive $350 if they earn less than $75,000 per year, $250 if they earn between $75,001 and $125,000 per year, $200 if they earn between $125,001 and $250,000 per year. Joint tax filer will receive $700 if they earn less than $150,000 per year. Now $500 if they earn between $150,001 and $250,000 per year. $400 if they earn between $250,001 and $500,000 per year. However, if either single or joint filer have at least one dependent, they will receive an additional amount of either $350, $250 or $200 based on their tier.